Now, what happens here is, let's say we're working on hitting that line by rotating. So you're facing me, I'm tossing the ball. All you need to do right here is rotate and hit the ball down the line. We just want to see that you're able to do that standing. Everyone's going to go through this a few times, so we're repeating. We would want you guys to demonstrate that your arms are moving correctly. You're here and over there. You know what I mean? So relax, just go through your motion. Your feet follow your arms. It's your arms that move quickly first. So you would bend at the elbows to move your arms quicker. They're back here. Then you're turning and you're landing on 2 feet. Remember that. If your coach tells you to have the right foot forward, your arms should be down if you're right-handed. Then they go up, and then you long jump to broad jump. I like our athletes, young athletes, to start with the left foot forward, because this is the foot that you must learn to push off of. And it's also your adjustment step, and we'll deal with that later. So right now, I want you to have the left foot forward right on that tee. Right on the tee. Yeah, and what you're doing is, I'm going to toss, you're going to approach, rotate, and hit it down the line. So ready? Go. Okay, what was that? What shot were we working on?
Line.
Yeah, the line shot, which is rotating. Girls, if you face the line, you can come in and poke it down the line. That's not deceptive hitting, but you can certainly hit the line, assuming the setter can put the ball to the antenna. Now, you're trying to learn to hit deceptively, then you're rotating the air, which is what we're trying to teach you here. The next one here we're going to do is the cross-body shot. The cross-body shot is you taking that ball and cutting it around that side. All right, so we're going to, again, practice that just standing. So you're facing me here, right here. I'm going to toss that ball over there. You're going to turn, you're going to hit it that way. All right, all of you, bend your elbows. Your elbows are like this. Your elbows are back. All right, you have to use your arms to jump. So elbows here, bend your elbows. Your belt right now, belt. Swing your arms back, and then up, and go. So bend at the elbows. Back, up, go. As soon as those arms move faster, your feet are going to follow. You're going to be faster. You have to move that first. So some of you are going here to then try and jump, which will not allow you to jump effectively. So if you want to practice how to correct that, just hold on an actual line. All right, so You can hit this line here. Obviously, normally we wouldn't do this line, but it'll teach you how to jump and hold your line. You can practice. Go. And go. 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 Hold that line. You guys, for sure, are hearing this already. Some of you, watch your timing. Watch your timing. If you guys heard that before, some of you are definitely. Timing is not an issue in volleyball. There is no such thing as watch your timing. It's not a real thing. The problem isn't timing, it's space, it's distance. Volleyball is about feet and about distance. So if your coach says, watch your timing, it means that you're over here when you're about to hit. The solution isn't to change your timing, the solution is to back up. You understand? So back up, back up, back up, and then you're going to be fine. And that's a real problem with young players who don't transition particularly well and find themselves 6 feet off the net when the ball's about to be set. You guys can now approach with the right foot. Let's see how you guys are doing. Ready? Go. All right.